So now it's on to the lockdown version of the Intense 5. I feel like we need a prison gate sound effect right here. So I'm trying to understand this. You were planning a march to demonstrate the lockdown and the vaccine. Why did you think it would be allowed by the authorities though?
So the new season of Versus is being planned and Timber says Chris Breezy will not be a participant. Oh well, so it go. No, I know so it go because me really would have did it on my eyelash.
That's facts though.
Literally would have
facts.
put up big screen.
That's facts.
Yeah man, get food. Look here, is it going to be a house party? Okay? That's not okay.
A house party of one. Tommy Lee Sparta got 3 years for illegal possession of a firearm and 2 years for illegal possession of ammunition. The sentence will run concurrently. So many of our entertainers are in prison though. Wow.
Yeah, Sting, clearly.
Wow.
Sting.
Wow, Tal.
That's what they say on Twitter.
That's his Sting I'm gonna keep in a prison.
That's what them say.
Might as well.
Oh boy, Movado's son also got sentenced for murder and he has to serve 22 years before being eligible for parole. Bounty Killer posted a message of support on his IG page, not only for Movado's family, but the family members of the victims.
Jaja, crazy. And finally, holding the #1 spot this week. Where will we go? Well, nowhere for the next 3 weekends unless you're one of the lucky ones who already booked a staycation. The lockdown is here. Let's hope it keeps COVID numbers down.
Yup.
That's it for the Intense 5. Send us a DM to TVJ Intense and tell us your lockdown story and we'll include it in next week's show.